Hello everyone! Today we will talk about the Nodepay airdrop control page together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to join your Telegram channels. Let's get into the details. I shared a video about this yesterday, around noon, but luckily right after I shared that video, they released the control page. In fact, as you can see here, they published it at 12:30 p.m. I had already published the video at 12 noon, so it's a bit of a stroke of luck for us. There's nothing we can do. Log into Nodepay's dashboard, see airdrop, click to see eligibility, wallet address, and tokens earned. First, we log into Nodepay's own dashboard for the airdrop control page. And after logging in, you will inevitably see that it says airdrop right there. After clicking on it, it shows that I am eligible for the airdrop, along with the wallet address I used and how many tokens I have earned. For example, it gave me 1540 tokens. How much did it give you? You can mention it in the comments section of the video. Let me show you my points for those of your friends who might be curious. I'm logging into the earning tab, and as you can see, I have 174,000 points in Season 0. I had 920,000 points in Season 1. So, how much do I have in Season 2? I think it was around 700,000. Exactly, just like that. There's a scoring system. The airdrop distribution for Season 2 hasn't been done yet, so calculations haven't been done. It was only done for Season 1, but unfortunately many of our friends faced this situation in Season 1. In fact, if you look at the announcement that Nodepay itself posted, you can see that most of the shared screenshots are from users who did not qualify. So when you look at it from here, we can actually say it turned out a bit poorly. Why did this issue of not qualifying happen? Let's talk a little bit about that. Actually, Note 8 directly states this with the message. It says you need to have a connected wallet. I think most of you have already done this. It says you need to get the proof of human medal before December 5th. So if you go to your profile here, you can see that there is a proof of human medal in the medal section. If you got this after December 5th, meaning if you connected your Discord, Twitter, etc. after December 5th, and if you qualified for this medal, unfortunately you won't be included in the airdrop for Season 0 and Season 1. I think they had already shared a post about this. If you qualified to receive this medal, fortunately they haven't included you in the airdrop for Season 0 and Season 1. I think they had already shared a post about this. I think we'll probably see it when we land around December 5th. Let's scroll down a bit. We landed around December 3rd, for example. Let's head a bit towards 5. We're coming from here, and if you look, they were saying it somewhere around here. Wait, was it saying that on December 4th? Let me see right away. Exactly here. Oh, wait, it wasn't saying it from here? So you need to connect your wallet, your thing, before 5 minutes. Actually, they mentioned this somewhere, but I don't remember where he said it, but they said it as a very small detail. So they didn't make such a big announcement. This is a bit of a project thing, but whatever, it's up to you to interpret. Unfortunately, if you got this achievement after December 5th, it looks like you won't be able to get Europe from Season 0 and Season 1 at the moment. If there are a lot of reactions, maybe they could change this, but I doubt it at this stage. If you bought it after December 5th and it is connected to your wallet without any problems, you will receive the reward in Season 2 and the following seasons without any problems. There's no problem on that front, but as I said, it looks like you won't be able to receive anything from Season 0, and unfortunately. At least for now, as I said, if there's an update, I will be creating content to inform you again. As of now, this is what we can say about Notepad. By the way, the project has also released its supply. Let me show you. Wait, where's the announcement? December 5th. I'm hearing December 22nd. Where do they write that when you come here? It says here that our total supply will be 1 billion. They have set a supply like this. A more precise tokenomics statement has not yet been made. Once it is announced, I will shoot a video again to inform you, and let's wrap up the video. I will be keeping you informed. And now we come to the end of the video. If you have anything on your mind, something you want to ask, you can reach out to me through the comments or the Telegram chat channel. Good to you all. I wish you big profits.